Fight school, what's going on? Me and Danielle are here. We're gonna work. Let's talk about it. How do I get away? How do I get away from an opponent that's super aggressive? Aggression is great. Aggression is a good thing in the ring, in the cage, but it can be used against you. It can be used against you by someone that's a boxer and ranging, can move their feet, or someone that looks for openings, because typically brawlers and aggressive fighters don't cover up very well. Danielle here, she's not an aggressive fighter. She's got a better temperament, but for this one, she's gonna be an aggressive fighter. She's gonna be a brawler. She's gonna come at me. I got nothing for her. She can throw a bunch of straights and really put the pressure on. But in this case, I'll switch and I'll be the aggressive fighter. Watch what happens if I'm too aggressive and I don't know how to use it. I'm aggressive and I'm swinging. I'm coming in, coming at her. I leave myself wide open. Maybe I like it. Maybe I like getting hit. So I'm gonna keep coming. I'm gonna eat a lot of shots because my whole mentality is about moving forward, right? If I'm a rangy person, we'll switch roles again. Danielle's aggressive, I'll have to move my feet to get away from an aggressive fighter. So those are two ways to get away from aggression. Move your feet, stay long, but mostly look for openings and strike back. I'm aggressive, and she put 2 punches where I put 1 hard one. That's what happens when a Pitbull fights a Poodle and a Poodle gets its balls on.